me, Freya.
And me, Ruby.
Today we're doing episode 1 of Ruby and Freya, because we changed it to Ruby and Freya. Actually, I think this is episode 4, because we did Ruby and Freya's Playhouse, but it's episode 4, I think. Or 3. 4. It's definitely 4, isn't it?
Yeah, 4. Because we had done second and then you done third. And then
Yeah, we did 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so basically we might be making slime. My teeth look so yellow. I brushed them already.
My teeth bleeded this morning.
Bled.
I
think. Oh. Okay, we might be making
I don't think you can
slime.
I haven't
brushed my
teeth.
Yeah, I do. When I brush them, I had some ice cream.
Who thinks the best teeth? Me or Freya's?
No, mine. Everybody that has grown-up teeth, literally, their front teeth are longer than mine. Mine are way short. They are super short.
Can I see? Oh yeah!
They're like super short.
Mine is big.
Yeah, I think they're still going.
I'm a bunny. wait, I need a bit of bunny.
One of your teeth looks grey on there. One of your teeth. Look at that side, it's like white, and that side it's like grey. Okay, so we might be going to find if I can find my nail polish.
Yeah, we're gonna make it with nail polish. I don't know how. We need to make it.
Where's my nail polish?
And by the way, I never make slime. I made slime with a thing, but it didn't work, and it meant all like sludgy.
So basically, what I'm going to be doing right now is just. We're going to a caravan park later. Well, I am.
Well, I'm going.
She's coming tomorrow. So she'll be in 2 of my
videos,
vlogs, because I'm doing a vlog each day. It'll be cool.
We're doing a tour.
We'll do a tour on the second day because, and they won't be uploaded till the week after because I won't be there till the week after. So yeah, we're gonna have to go do it secretly to make some slime. We're just going. Okay, he's not there.
Wait.
Shh. You gotta be quiet. Drink. Getting a drink, I meant. Ruby, are you in the bathroom?
I need a toilet anyway.
So we're just going to basically wing it. So guys, we're just going to put a whole bunch of liquid soap in there. If you can see that. Can you please run down it? I need it. Basically, we just want to get the flour. So I put a whole bunch of soap in here. distract them again when we want to put it back. I'm not sure if this is going to work. We've got to make sure we don't get flour everywhere. And make sure this works. It looks like it's going to work. It does. Oh, what were you doing in there?
I was distracting them.
Yeah, this is what I do. I don't have a spoon. There's bits. I know, it doesn't matter, they're washing anyway, so it's like... They usually check the kitchen.
Every...
I'll distract this time. I'll distract this time. You put it back.
Oh, I can't.
Okay. I'll put it back. It looks more like dough. Ew. I'm not sure this one's going to work. I might need to do it again. Oh no. Sure. That's happened. Guys, we don't want that to happen, do we? If we add more sugar liquid to it. Would work. Like okay, all we need to do is add wash out liquid. I'll bring it up and stay here. Yeah, stay in the view.
So guys, we're going to stay here. The patty is looking good a bit. Just need to mix it. It's not slimy yet. It's getting good. Okay, that's getting good. So give it slimy. Think it in the comments if this is a bit slimy. So I think that's quite good. That's quick. I've got the liquid soap.
There's loads. Look at it.
Mega.
You put loads. Okay, let's stir it. Give it a...
Okay, first stir it again. It's turning really good.
Looks more like dough.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting the slime mixer.
It's like fluffy slime.
You made fluffy slime, guys.
I made butter slime back at my house, and it was cool. Needs a bit more of a stir. I think I need more flour.
To make it
You keep on stirring. No. You put this back, and I'll just try
What
to
is it?
above the sink. You know the sink here.
Okay, guys, we'll come back to you later.
Guys, we're back. Okay.
I'll find everything.
Oh, we're gonna check. Still, if it's gonna work. We definitely need more flour. Okay, you get it. I distract. Oh no, you no, come on. No, you can. I'll put it back. Stay there. Pause the video. Can you pause it?
Guys, I'll see you later again.
You need to add it really close.
I'll start.
Are you?
Finish.
Oh, it's getting slimier. I know it gets slimy once you have it that. We need to add a tiny drop of water. It actually works pretty well, and then it goes...
I'll distract you, put the flour back.
Then it goes hard. No, we're not done with it yet. We
The
might
dough
press
is
it.
good. It's like dough.
That's why you need to wet it every day, like really badly wet it. But you know what I mean by really badly.
I need to wet this.
Wet it. Okay, I think if we need a tiny bit more.
Tiny bit more flour.
No, maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, a tiny bit. We don't want it. Ruby, you're good at putting away. I'm good at getting.
Put it away.
I'm good at distracting.
No,
You're
I'm
not
distracting.
that good. I'm not done, Ruby. I'm not done.
Back, you said. soap for moisture. I don't think it's going to work without. We need a handful of flour. And then we have to put drops of water. No, only in a minute. That will make a doughy type. Okay, I'll stir a bit. Because water and flour makes dough. Okay, now we need to like clean up a bit. Yeah. I'll go get some water from there. Okay, now what we need to do is put this back. So I'm going to put it back, you distract. Yeah, let's see you guys first. Hi, we're back. Alright. Got flour. Starting to get like a doughy consistency. I think we forgot to mix it while it was doughy. So
but we're going to make this slimy thing with
it's not that sticky anymore. So, look. Watch what I did. It's a bit
doughy.
Sticky. We just need to put water in it. We put loads and loads of flour in. Main carb building. We got some food as well. Only some randoms. Want one?
No thanks.
Look, the dough is going really well because it's joining together.
Remember, we're selling the putty for £2.
We're selling this because it's bad. No.
I don't know what they're going to spend money.
We're selling this for £2 because it is. You need to add water to it every single day, lots and lots of water. Because otherwise it gets rock hard. So
like the other one did.
Drop of water. Yeah, we literally added a tiny drop.
I think the water's going to make it a bit slimy, so that would be good.
I'm starting to get that smell. Can you carry these upstairs and carry your shoes because we're going to go upstairs. You can carry the cup.
Where's the shoes?
Our shoes are there. Here we go. So we're going upstairs. Ooh, phew. Okay, so basically we're going to sell it outside, so we can't show you. Because,
well, if you're in our country and you live in Dorset, Dorchester,
you're not supposed to tell them where we live, you idiot.
Sorry.
We live in Bournemouth.
Yeah. Well, yeah, but if you're in Dorset.
Shut up, Ruby.
What?
You're going to tell them where we live and then we're going to get killed, you dick. No offence. Sorry, but don't come and visit us unless you're one of our friends.
Well, you didn't know our postcode, though.
No, but you're going to say that as well if I don't shut you up. Tie you to a chair. Oh, God. Okay, so we're going to sell this